everyone, it's Monday, November 2nd. Today we are starting Unit 3, which is Teen Issues. So during this unit, we are going to look at a bunch of different current event topics and how they impact teenagers. For this unit, our basic overall goal is that you guys are going to create persuasive arguments. You're going to be looking at different sides of topics, and then you're going to decide your own opinions about them. And then you're going to write persuasive arguments. You're also going to write counterclaims. So you're going to look at what the opposition thinks and argue against that. You're also going to look at how to use multimedia, like pictures, videos, songs, those kinds of things, to help create your argument. The final for this unit will be a teen issue campaign. So you're going to write in a few different ways to try and convince people to agree with you on whatever topic you choose. So the first thing that we need to look at today is the teen issues intro. We're going to look at the teen brain because a teenager's brain is a little bit different than an adult brain. So the first thing you need to do is click here where it says teen brain and click on make a copy. So for this assignment, what you're going to do is you need to watch this video. It says the brain parts are from 4 minutes to 9 minutes, but watch the entire video. After you're done watching the entire video, write a reflection on the following questions. So how might the science of teenage brain affect how society approaches teenagers? Your answer should fill up the space. Feel free to rewind and rewatch certain sections of the video if you need to. Please include gut level reactions to this video. Include at least 2 references to specific scientific claims in the video, and then apply the contents of the video to at least one specific real-life example of when this information might be relevant. So something to your own life or to the news. So that is what you do for this sheet. We also need to go over comma integration notes. So when you're finished typing up your teen brain paragraph, look at your comma integration notes. Once you're done watching that, you'll need to go back into your paragraph that you wrote, and you will need to make sure that you go through and integrate any quotes that you don't have integrated. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, the drop boxes are right here, and have a great day.